Nest egg. This is a sum of money saved for the future, especially for retirement, to provide financial security and stability. The term comes from the practice of placing a real or a fake egg in a nest to encourage hens to lay more eggs, metaphorically representing a small amount of money set aside to grow into a larger sum. It has been used since at least the 17th century. For example, they have a nice nest egg saved up for their retirement. Or, it's important to start building a nest egg early in your career.